The iPhone 16 Pro's triple camera system includes a 48 megapixel wide lens, a 12 megapixel periscope telephoto with 5x optical zoom, and a 48 megapixel ultrawide. This setup offers versatile shooting options with enhanced detail and incredible low-light performance. With USB Type-C 3.2 Gen 2, the iPhone 16 Pro supports faster data transfers and display output capabilities. You can connect external displays and even record 3D spatial video for a more immersive experience. Powered by the A18 Pro chip, the iPhone 16 Pro delivers a performance boost with a hexa-core CPU and 6-core GPU. This enables smoother multitasking, efficient power management, and next-gen ray tracing for superior gaming experiences. The S24 Ultra is packed with AI-driven photo tools like Magic Editor, Live Call Translation, and Circle to Search. It's backed by 7 years of updates, ensuring long-term performance and security. The Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra is built as the ultimate Android phone, merging top-tier hardware and software. It boasts a 6.8-inch Quad HD AMOLED display, flat and bright at 2600 nits with a 120 Hz refresh rate. The display is vivid and ideal for all lighting conditions. The S24 Ultra's camera setup includes a 200-megapixel primary lens, ultra-wide lens, and 2 telephoto cameras. The highlight is the new 50-megapixel 5x telephoto lens, offering sharper images in the 5x to 10x zoom range. This setup is perfect for photography lovers. Starting off with the dimensions, the Apple iPhone 16 Pro measures 149.6 by 71.5 by 8.3 millimeters, making it a bit more compact compared to the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, which stands tall at 162.3 by 79 to 8.6 millimeters. For those who prefer a more substantial device, the Galaxy S24 Ultra might be the better pick. On the scales, the iPhone 16 Pro weighs 199 grams, while the Galaxy S24 Ultra is a tad heavier, coming in at 232 grams or 233 grams. This slight difference might be noticeable during extended use. When it comes to display size, the iPhone 16 Pro features a 6.3-inch screen, while the Galaxy S24 Ultra steps it up a notch with a larger 6.8-inch screen. The larger display might be more appealing to those who enjoy media consumption on their devices. The camera department is where things get interesting. The iPhone 16 Pro boasts a 48-megapixel main lens, accompanied by a 12-megapixel periscope telephoto lens and another 48-megapixel ultra-wide lens. The Galaxy S24 Ultra, however, takes the lead with a whopping 200-megapixel main lens, a 10-megapixel telephoto lens, a 50-megapixel periscope telephoto lens, and a 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens. The Galaxy S24 Ultra seems to have the upper hand when it comes to camera versatility. In terms of internal memory, both phones offer a range of options. The iPhone 16 Pro is available in 128GB, 256GB, 512GB, and 1TB variants, all with 8 to 12GB RAM. The Galaxy S24 Ultra also offers 256GB, 512GB, and 1TB options, but with a consistent 12GB RAM across all variants. The display resolution of the iPhone 16 Pro stands at 1206, 266, and 22 pixels, while the Galaxy S24 Ultra offers a higher resolution of 1440 by 3120 pixels. This means the Galaxy S24 Ultra might provide a slightly sharper and more detailed display. Both phones are IP68 dust and water resistant. The iPhone 16 Pro can withstand up to 6 meters for 30 min, while the Galaxy S24 Ultra can resist up to 1.5 meters for 30 min. Additionally, the Galaxy S24 Ultra includes a stylus with Bluetooth integration, which the iPhone 16 Pro lacks. Under the hood, the iPhone 16 Pro is powered by a 6-core CPU, while the Galaxy S24 Ultra uses an 8-core CPU. This suggests the Galaxy S24 Ultra might offer better multitasking and overall performance. Battery-wise, the iPhone 16 Pro packs a Li-ion 35 and 77 mAh battery, while the Galaxy S24 Ultra houses a larger Li-ion 5000 mAh battery. This might translate to longer battery life on the Galaxy S24 Ultra. For the selfie enthusiasts, the iPhone 16 Pro features a 12-megapixel wide lens, while the Galaxy S24 Ultra matches with its own 12-megapixel wide lens. Both should deliver quality selfies. Both phones sport a glass front and back with a titanium frame. However, the iPhone 16 Pro uses Corning-made glass, while the Galaxy S24 Ultra uses Corning Gorilla Armor. Both phones offer dual LED dual-tone flash and HDR. However, the Galaxy S24 Ultra also includes panorama mode. Both phones offer HDR and PDAF on their selfie cameras. However, the Galaxy S24 Ultra also includes dual video call and HDR10+. On the software front, the iPhone 16 Pro runs on iOS 18, while the Galaxy S24 Ultra is powered by Android 14 with One UI 6.1. The iPhone 16 Pro is powered by the Apple A18 Pro chipset, while the Galaxy S24 Ultra uses the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset. Both phones support Nano SIM and eSIM. However, the Galaxy S24 Ultra also allows for dual SIM functionality. Both phones feature an always-on display. The iPhone 16 Pro uses a 6-core Apple GPU, while the Galaxy S24 Ultra uses the Adreno 750 GPU. Both phones offer 4K video recording. However, the Galaxy S24 Ultra also supports 8K video recording. Both phones come with stereo speakers. Both phones come equipped with a variety of sensors. However, the Galaxy S24 Ultra includes a fingerprint sensor under the display. Both phones support ultra-wideband UWB. However, the Galaxy S24 Ultra also supports Samsung DeX and Samsung Wireless DeX for a desktop experience. Finally, the iPhone 16 Pro starts at $99, while the Galaxy S24 Ultra starts at a slightly lower price of $999.99.